Welcome back to Tech Trains. It's week 68. Still in the UK, but back to HO. Now we have a Fleischmann Warship Class 42 Diesel Loco, Fleischmann's number 4246, with a rake of Fleischmann HO Express Bulleid coaches from 1977, all in British green. We're going to feature a 5146 first third class coach, a 5147 third class coach, and a 5148 third class with baggage coach. Thirty-eight of the diesel units were produced between 1958 and 1961. They were based on the Deutsche Bundesbahn V200 diesel, designed by the German company Meier, but built in the UK. They were capable of 95 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour, and our model manages 100.8 at 50% power. That's 162 kilometers per hour. They were designed for hilly mainline service, but their compact design prevented the installation of equipment needed for the newer coaches and thus led to an early withdrawal by 1972 of all units. 3 prototypes survive in preservation. For part 2, we're going to add a second set of coaches for this little warship to pull. Oh, wait a minute! Don't forget the 1970 Fleischmann 5569 track cleaning car, so we can keep running smooth ahead. Are there second-class Bulleid class coaches? Definitely not from Fleischmann, so I guess they don't exist. The coaches are called Bulleid because they were designed by Oliver Bulleid of the Southern Railway, who served as their chief mechanical engineer from 1937 until British nationalization. Well, folks, that's all for my British Railways in any scale. Please tune in next week where we're going to look at a 1959 Fleischmann set with a little red switcher and its complement of tin plate coaches. Thanks for watching.